Hey, In the Loop fans, went by Universal Studios Hollywood to check out Harry Potter and Simpsons. They have the top of the building over here up. Whole lot of work going on the side. They're starting all the masonry on the side of the large attractions building. I kind of did a little pan here because I wanted to show how big this area is that's still wide open. I don't know what they're going to do with it. Zoomed in, they're just kind of using it for construction storage, but you can see there's a whole lot of backlot space that they're not doing anything with. I wonder if we're going to see something else here or just some awesome landscaping. Who knows? This was peeking around the back of the fence. You can see some of that circular courtyard. A lot of the masonry is pretty much done at this point. I would expect to see scaffolding come down probably pretty soon. There's just still a few back here that don't have their chimneys done. There's a closer look at the brickwork done. Now we're back looking at the entrance into the Harry Potter world. They've got that whole top steeple done, and the whole side wall here is all pretty much done. What I mean done, and the shape is there. I know it's not finished, but it's close. Again, better look at that entrance area. And a side view of the entrance area. Better look at that side wall that wraps around by Shrek 4D, as you can see. It wraps around to the front of it. This is looking over by Shrek 4D as well. That whole backside area, all the masonry is done and painted and ready for the scaffolding to come down. Here's some of the roof and windows and whatnot over by Shrek 4D. This is the back side of the Harry Potter world. Some chimneys. These have been done for a while, but you can see all the scaffolding has been taken off of these buildings. Last little look here from over the fence. Off to Springfield. Lots of progress over at Springfield. Studio is up. Channel Studios 6, rather. This whole backside's done and painted. The front side is all painted and put together. All the scaffolding's been taken down. Close-up look at those windows. Some cool lights have now been put up. This is looking at the front. I think that's possibly a jail. Springfield sign hasn't changed at all. Scaffolding's still up. Some cool detail on the wood on the side of Moe's. Well, this is Braden from In the Loop, checking here in Universal Studios. Remember to subscribe and keep up to date with all the construction going on.